Hello guys, I am going to guide you on how to create a website without coding. So stay tuned and watch. If by the end of this video you want to sign up to any of the platforms I will be mentioning, you can use my link in the description below to easily do that. So for you to create a website without any coding experience, all you need is a no-code website builder. What are no-code website builders, you may ask? No-code website builders are platforms that allow you easily create a website through drag and drop methods or answering some questions. Here are 5 no-code website builders I think you should try. I might be biased, but I personally prefer and rate Webflow over the rest. The platform can help you create a website powered by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Using it is a bit more complicated than Wix, but you can easily learn how to use it in a short time. The platform gives you more control over your website and its code. It also has an attractive user interface. Regarding its pricing and security, it might not be the best option if you are on a budget, but the paid memberships are worth it. The platform's security is effective because it complies with GDPR and CCPA regulations. They also give an SSL certificate and work with reputable payments processors. Shopify and Wix are almost a tie in my books, but Wix has an edge. Because unlike Shopify that focuses on only e-commerce, Wix is versatile, and this makes it one of the most popular no-code website builders in the industry. The platform has hundreds of templates, an amazing app store, and UI that is easy to use. It also has an AI feature called the WIX ADI. The feature can help you build a website in minutes without stress. We have a video that discusses how you can do that. You can check it out. Wix offers a free plan, but if you want to unlock more functionalities, you have to join in their paid membership plans. Also, they have effective customer support you can reach via phone call, live chat, or ticket submission in the help center. Your website's security is also solid because Wix uses HTTP and SSL's protocols to make sure data between your site and its visitors are secured. Unlike the first 2 platforms I mentioned, Shopify is a site that solely focuses on e-commerce websites. It is the #1 e-commerce no-code web builder, and this makes it even more popular than a lot of multi-purpose platforms in the industry. The site has an easy-to-use UI that is optimized for any device, a top-notch security that meets level 1 PCI, and a lot of app. Now that you know how no-code website builders have made creating a website easy, don't waste any more time and sign up now to create your new site. I'll see you in the next video.